Presenting Forsage Tron. Tron TRX is one of the leading cryptocurrency established in 2017. The blockchain of the cryptocurrency allows you to create on the basis of smart contracts. A huge number of large crypto companies use this currency. Revolutionary smart contract technology provides decentralized market participants with the ability to directly engage in personal and business transactions. The Forsage Tron Decentralized Matrix Project's smart contract is publicly and perpetually available to view on the Tron Blockchain. Forsage Tron, crowdfunding international platform of new generation and the first-ever smart contract with the marketing of type, matrix, in the blockchain of Tron cryptocurrency. It's a software algorithm performing the function of a distribution of the affiliate commissions between community members and the observance of certain conditions. Now you must wonder, what is needed to participate in the project? It's quite enough to have nearly any device with access to the internet, smartphone, tablet, laptop, or simply computer. Installed on the device and recharge the Tron wallet. Follow us on Facebook to get to know more about the Forsage Tron and the exciting financial opportunities provided by Tron Smart Contract.